1212 Classic Riders is in the building. Harlem Week 2017. We're gonna start off with our Durango. We got the truck division here. We got the truck division. We got the import division here. Oh man, we got the domestic. We all over the place. We got the trucks all over the place. Classic Riders in the house. We got Vortec here. Vortec. Look at it. We got Vortec in the building. Vortec. Let me see that shirt in the back. Wow, we got Vortec in the building. Look, oh my God. Oh, we got Vortec out. You know we're big now. We rolling with the truck in the building. We got the families out here. Oh man, Classic Riders and Vortec is in the building. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Mount Vernon, money earning Mount Vernon. Here, we got everybody here. Oh, we're rolling. We're rolling today. We're rolling. This is a wonderful day in Harlem. Harlem Week 2017. Yes, it is, baby. We got more Classic Riders coming in. Oh, that trucking division is horrible. It's horrible. We got one more coming in. I tell you, we deal with trucks and imports. Hey, we don't play. Classic Riders don't play. Mr. Johnson, how you doing? TT, how you doing, baby? There you go. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Massive traffic jam. Old school, new school. Dirty Red is in the building. Dirty Red is in the building. Dirty Red. We turned to Channel 2. Yes, we did. Channel 2. Come back here, Dirty Red. You know everybody want to talk to you. What's going on, my brother?
Well, I'm here today, baby, you know.
Where are we today?
We in Harlem, baby.
Oh, is it a wonderful day in the neighborhood?
Nice weather. Nice breeze on the hall.
Hey, let me see the back of that shirt.
Oh. We got Vortec in the building. I call these the Thickum brothers. Because they are the Thickum brothers. Hey, give me that cut again.
We got Lizette on the set. She take care of Classic Riders. Wherever we go, she take care of us. Lizette, wave to the camera, Lizette. Wave to the camera. How you doing, Lizette?
Yes.
Al, get it right, Al. Get it right.